Let me ask you a question. Do you have a great business idea, but you don't have the funding to get it off the ground? Or maybe you started your business, but it's flatlining and it needs a big transfusion of cash to jumpstart it. If any of this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Every day, entrepreneurs just like you think up great business ideas, and every day they push those ideas out of their mind because they don't have the cash to make it happen. Oh, sure, you've heard that getting funding is possible. You just need to put on your best suit, comb your hair, and pitch your idea to a bunch of venture capitalist sharks. Of course, you'll be lucky if you make it out of that meeting with your dignity intact. And if you actually strike a deal, you'll be really lucky if it doesn't require you selling your soul and giving away your firstborn child just to get a little cash for your business. I'm going to tell you, it's not worth it. Getting money from venture capitalists is like accepting blood money. You won't sleep a wink until you fulfilled the terms of their contract, and that's assuming those terms don't haunt you for the rest of your life. So maybe you're thinking you'll just turn to the so-called angel investors instead. But don't be fooled by the term angel. Angels are just venture capitalist sharks with a different name. They're still going to bleed you dry for all you're worth when your business takes off. All right, it's no wonder so many entrepreneurs keep shoving their big business dreams aside. Getting your hands on this sort of money is like treading water with a big anchor tied to your ankle. You'll be lucky if you don't drown in 5 minutes. So listen, forget about venture capitalists and angel investors and all those other impossible funding methods, because you're about to discover how to launch your business on a shoestring budget. Introducing the Shoestring Startups video training program, which shows you the same creative funding and bootstrapping methods used by some of the world's most successful companies. You don't need any money today to get started. You don't need to sell your soul to the venture capitalist vultures. You don't need to put on your best suit and try to impress your local banker. You don't even need to pass your hat around and beg for money from your family. Because when you use these proven financing and bootstrapping strategies you're about to discover, you'll get all the cash you need to launch and sustain your business during its startup and through its early growth phase. Now, these strategies aren't just fluffy feel-good theories either. These are proven, tested in the trenches strategies that others have used to launch businesses worth millions of dollars. These are the same strategies the biggest companies around use to get started. I'm talking about companies like Apple, Starbucks, TechCrunch, Plenty of Fish, Gawker, and so many more. These guys didn't start with a ton of money. Most of them started out dead broke. But they launched businesses that went on to become multi-million, and in some cases, even billion-dollar enterprises. Now you're about to discover these same strategies so you can get your own business dreams off the ground. So listen, inside this in-depth and entertaining video program, you'll get a crash course in some of the best bootstrapping strategies, creative funding ideas, and other finance tricks that there are. Let me give you an overview of what you get when you register for this course now. You'll find out why some people sabotage their business with a window dressing mentality, and how you can avoid this deadly mistake. You'll get a surprisingly simple way to prioritize expenses. This is a great way to hit the ground running when you launch your new business. You'll learn 3 surefire business investment strategies that you can put to work for you immediately to grow sales and revenue faster than you ever thought was possible. And get this, you'll discover 7 amazingly innovative bootstrapping strategies you can implement immediately to cut costs without cutting corners at all. Do you need to secure product and services at rock bottom cost? You'll find out how to do it inside this course. You'll also discover how to steal a page from the big companies' playbooks to get your products to market fast so you can start seeing a profit more quickly. Do you need cash fast? No problem. You'll discover 8 ingenious ways for you to get the funds you need to launch and grow your business without selling your soul to the venture capital vultures. You'll even learn a slick trick for turning your existing expertise into instant cash. You'll also learn a powerful, yet little-known way to raise tens of thousands of dollars. If you have a big idea, you'll definitely want to check out this eye-opening idea. Plus, you'll find out how to borrow money without paying through the nose in fees and interest rates. This trick alone is going to save you a ton of money in the long run. So listen, the bottom line is that this is a great course for anyone who could use an infusion of cash into their business. If you've ever had a business idea but didn't know where you'd get the funds you need to launch your business, this course is for you. If you've already started a business but it's stagnating because of lack of capital, this course is for you. If you want to take your business to the next level, but you're going to need some money to do it, then this course is for you. Look, I know a lot of people don't like thinking about money. They think business funding is a boring topic. But really, nothing could be further from the truth. And this course proves it. Because by the time you've finished watching these videos, your heart is going to be thumping with excitement as you realize that your wildest business dreams are easily within your reach. So let's make it happen together starting right now. All you have to do is click the buy button below this video, and in just a few minutes, you'll be watching the videos that are going to launch your biggest business dreams. So don't put your dreams on hold even a single moment longer. Click the buy button below right now to get started.